Okay guys, I'm just going to quickly explore this tripod so I can briefly share with you my ideas about this tripod.
So, I like this. This is very tall. See, we can go up like that. We have a lock position here. Oh, it goes up. Can it go down? Yep. This will be good. It will be kind of an all-around tripod. One thing I really like about this, that's why I got this, was this setup like this. There you go, buddy. And you can shoot, because when I'm trying to unbox with using my old tripod, I'm going to use this one to shoot my footage. My camera here is bumping this one and it's going to shoot even the legs here. So that's one of my problems. I cannot do this one with older tripods. So one other thing you would really like to have with this is you can basically do some turning around. So it will be smooth shooting, buddy. Yeah, you'll like this. Let's go back, try this one. They're all ball head. So there you go. We go down like that. We'll lock you up. You can still go down like this. There you go. Then the other one here is the simple kind of making this one short. So it's a kind of, and we get to, make this one shorter. We tighten up. That's it. So here, we cannot remove it. You can easily do it like that. Okay. How about the other one? See. Okay, so you can see how this one is going to be managed as well. The lock of this tripod, I'll hold the camera. It's very easy to unlock this one and you gotta remove it. You can see how it's going to lock this one. If you're going to kind of twist that one, it will go closer and lock the camera. So I'll just put it like that and I'll twist this one like it will hold the camera. The second thing you need to see here is this ball head here. So you can basically do it like it will go down for this one. So that's the ball head, and this camera can go like up and down. You can use this one to kind of lock it so it's not going to move, and we get to put it up. See, so it will hold it. Even this one, I'm going to show you a closer kind of look with this. So I'm going to unlock that. I'm going to pull it, and as you can see, this is a ball. So it's going to go like that, and you can lock this one. This will be a very good help if you are unboxing an item. You can be a little bit kind of creative here, So if you can spread this one, but it cannot fit on my table. I can show you how it's going to be done. Yeah, like that, and it's easy to spread out. If you're cooking as well, this is the one they're using. Spin it like this, so you have a smooth kind of shooting, So this is my new tripod. Well, the brand of this one is Zomei. I don't know how you read this. I've shown it in the unboxing. That's Zomei. Okay, I know there are other brands out there, but I find this one. I compared all the prices that comes that is similar in size, and I find this Zomei a little bit more affordable. If you're going to buy something like this, I'll put my links, Amazon links, down below so you can check it out. I'll also put a link of the other models that come with this one, because this is M8, one of the probably tallest tripod they sell. There are other smaller Zomei tripods, so you might want to check them out as well. I hope I've shown you something about this tripod, and it will help give you more information in buying your own tripod later on. So once again, this is Story Pro, and thank you for watching, guys.